Welcome. Today we are revising biology paper 1, questions and answers. Question 1. How does growth as a characteristics of living organisms differ in plants and animals? In plants, growth occurs at meristematic tissues only, while in animals, growth occurs all over the body. Question 2a. State the role of active transport in animal nutrition. Reabsorption of sugars and some salts in the kidney. Absorption of digested food from the alimentary canal into the bloodstream. Excretion of waste products from body cells. 2b. Cyanide lowers the rate of active transport. Explain. Cyanide is an enzyme inhibitor. It affects the rate of active transport. Question 3. The figure below is a diagram of a vertical section of mammalian tooth. Name the part labeled A. A is the enamel. B is the gum. State one way in which structure D is adapted to its functions. Contains blood vessels which supplies food, nutrients and oxygen and removes nitrogenous waste products. Contains nerve ending for sensitivity. Question 4. The figure below shows percentage saturation of oxygen in blood in fish as water passes along the gill plate. You have the saturation of oxygen, the blood, the water, distance along the gill plates. Name the type of blood flow shown in the gill plate. Countercurrent flow. Explain the advantages of type of flow named in one above, that is countercurrent flow. Creates a steep diffusion gradient that enhances the rate of gaseous exchange across the gill filaments. That is, it increases rate of gaseous exchange. Through diffusion, it increases the rate of gaseous exchange. State organs in humans which display the type of flow named in A1 above, the kidney, the placenta, or the ileum. Question 5. The equation below shows an oxidation reaction of food substances. What do you understand by the term respiratory quotient? Volumetric relationship between carbon produced and oxygen consumed. Determine respiratory quotient of the oxidation of food substance. That is how you determine it. Question 5c. Identify the food substances, that is fat. Question 6. When any one of the growth parameters such as growth and size or weight increase in number of cells are plotted in a graph against time like below, a clear curve is obtained. Carrying capacity, population size, and time. State its name. It's a sigmoid curve. Question 7. The embryo of a dry, fully developed seed usually passes through a period of rest after ripening period, and it cannot germinate even when provided with all favorable conditions. State significance of this. Provides the seeds with enough time for dispersal so that they can germinate in suitable environment. It enables seeds to survive during advanced environmental conditions. The embryo has time to develop until favorable conditions are available. Question 8a. Cowpea seeds were placed in a vacuum flask and left for 5 days. What is the expected change in composition of gases in the flask on the 6th day? Decrease in oxygen and increase in Give the reason for your answer in A above. Germinating seeds respire using oxygen and then release carbon. Question 9. Biotechnologist works day and night to curb food insecurity. Using the knowledge of polyploidy in genetics. Explain the economic importance of such practice. Increases yields in plants, cause early maturity in plants, enhance resistance to pest, disease, and drought. Define a backcross, a cross between an offspring with one of its parents. Question 10. The structure below was obtained from animal cell. What is the name of the hair-like process and state its function? The name is cilia. The function is to propel mucus and fertilize ovum. Question 10b. From which parts of the mammalian body are these structures found? Trachea and the oviduct. So for the propel mucus is the trachea, while the fertilized ovum is in the oviduct. Question 11. A student was found to have blood group B positive. What type of antibody is present in his plasma? A. Which antigens are present in the blood group? B. B and rhesus antigens. Question 12. Plants relatively have less waste to excrete than animals. Give 2 reasons to explain this observation. Plants reuse some of their waste products. Plants produce their waste products slowly compared to animals that produce slowly. Question 13. State 2 methods by which plants get rid of their waste products. Diffusion, transpiration, guttation, excavation, deposition. You can name any 2. Question 14. To estimate the population size of mosquitoes in Baji village that covers an area of 25 kilometers, visiting researchers got 400 mosquitoes, which they marked and released. After 24 hours, 200 mosquitoes were caught, out of which 120 had not been marked. Question 14a. Suggest the sampling method described above. This capture-recapture method. What are the disadvantages of this method? Some organisms may die during the study period. Question 15. The table below shows stomato distribution on leaves A and B and their surface area. Use the information to answer the questions. Identify with reason the habitants of the plant from which the leaves were obtained. Leaf A, the habitant is fresh water. Reason, there is maximum number of stomata on the upper leaf surface for a quick loss of excess water by transpiration. Leaf B, its habitat is arid areas. The reason is because there is more stomata on the lower surface than on the upper to reduce the surface area exposed to excessive loss of water by transpiration. Question 16. Name the causative agent on the following diseases. Trichomoniasis, it's Trichomonas vaginalis. Gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea. Question 17. The diagram below shows a pollen tube as it develops down the style. Use it to answer the question that follows. Name the part labeled G, pollen tube. State 2 functions of the structure labeled E. To fuse with the egg cell nucleus to form zygote. Fuse with polar nuclei to form a triploid endosperm nucleus. Question 18a. Define parthenogenesis. Formation of fruits without fertilization. Name the plant hormone that induces fruit ripening. Ethylene. Question 19. A group of Form 3 students collected a certain specimen for studies shown below. Study it carefully and use it to answer the questions that follow. Name the type of metamorphosis in the above specimen. It's complete metamorphosis. Give any two advantages of the above metamorphosis. Niche, as there is no competition for resources. For example, food. Question 21.